Guys, say hi to my friend. This is my friend. She's in a vlog. This is me. She says hi guys. She's Era. I don't know how to post. I don't know how to pronounce actually her name. And today we're going to be playing MM2 with my friend. That's true though. You, where is she? Oh, there. She is in a vlog. I love this place.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, once na napalabas na yung outrigger nito. Okay, sige po. So, isang salamat.
So later, I will.
Doon ako naiinapipin pag gano'n. Yung parang pinapunta na doon sa pinapunta nila dito yung tray.
Oo, I'm mad.
Turnover na sa amin. Pwede nang galawin.
Watch out,
Tapos,
I'm
pag may
mad.
tinanong tayo na something na
I died. It's loud. I'm mad. She's also gonna record. Why is someone in my head?
sobrang, alam mo yun, sobrang napisip ko pag galing. Parang, iwas po sa iba kayo lahat.
Sharif. Sharif, I think I will get Sharif in my video. Take a video. Oh, I'm gonna get disconnected. Okay. But who is the... I told you guys. I'm gonna ask her age because I think we just met. Murder mystery down. Here I come. Murder mystery 2. Here I come. So obviously is she? Oh, she's in the game.
Asan yung isang may break pa? Para sa wala nga mga panano. Para kuya dahil ama yung isang tractor head para din na alas 3 hanggang alas 4 daw dadating. Sabihin na dalawang tractor head tayo. Ah, para ano, para makapag-instruction ng hindi ka sa lakad.
Actually, bruh. I always get disconnected. I'm gonna search my channel for a quick second in the other phone. My mom. Why is there? Why is there hole in the
Yun
well?
nga yung sasabi ko sa inyo, ulit-ulit ko sa inyo sinabi yun. Pag mag-ano kayo, magpapirma kayo. Sige,
Uh-oh.
basta yung ano sir, may perma
I'm
dapat
gonna
ng
be
tao.
dead.
Kasi,
Bro, my channel is Divine Grace Badelia 8598. Where is
sa
she?
float type ba yun? Parang na, yung duct tape. Ano yung float type na duct
Oh,
tape?
clock type yan.
Oo.
Mabilis na po.
Ano ba yung ibang ano nito? Pato. Pato ito.
Meron natin parang plastic. Parang alam mo yung ginagamit na ano.
Yung isa parang ano,
Oh,
parang
sheriff again. I'm dead.
kagaya nung ano.
Going to be dead. I'm the worst at being the sheriff, you know, guys. I'm actually the best at being the innocent, actually, or murderer, I think. But most likely, it's gonna be innocent. May naka-video ko. Okay, so it's the murd. Oh, shoot. Hey, no, I did it! Finally! Finally! Ay! Ay! GG.
Kahit ako kumapoy sa takbo.
Devin.
Ay, pagod, nagutom ako sa layo ng binahe namin ni Kuya Uli. Pa-diesel lang. Nasama pa ako. Siguro taka yung Sergio. Bakit kaya ako nandun? Wala naman akong kailangan. kailangan sa kanya.